Hello and welcome to the world of Team Me. Team Me provides you with a unique personal empowerment program that enables you to play your very best game. This is for you if you want to step up, to break through current limitations and perform at your very best, both personally and professionally. This is for you whether you have enjoyed success upon success in life or whether you feel that you've completely lost your way and need to start again. When you boil it down, people are seeking happiness in essentially one of three areas. It's their health, their wealth, or their relationships. And I'm sure that you've tried all sorts of different programs in the past to help you progress. You've been promised amazing results by step-by-step guides, but in all honesty, they didn't deliver what it was you really hoped for. So why haven't they worked? At least not at the level you expected. Well, underneath these grand schemes of health and wealth and relationships, there's a deeper and much more fundamental issue, and that is your personal identity, who you really are. Because until you understand who you are, you will not really understand why you do what you do the way that you do it. And here we need to aim for personal authenticity. Having understood these things, it's also crucial that you understand how to show up in any situation. And for this, we need to have a clearer understanding of our unique mix of archetypes, universal energies that define our character at a very, very deep level. And finally, we need to understand the extraordinary dynamics of what is known as the flow state. There are three paths that you can take in this new journey of self-discovery. You can start down any path you choose and go to any level that you wish. You will find you gain extraordinary new levels of awareness, discover powerful ways to achieve your hidden potentials, your unique giftings and capabilities, and establish a new way of doing life that will accelerate your personal and professional achievement. Have I said enough? If this sounds like what you need right now, then sign up right away and we'll get started immediately. It's hot in here. But there's more, so look, I'm going to keep going. Newton's first law of physics essentially says that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object that is moving tends to keep moving the way that it has been moving unless it is impacted by an external force. So if we want to get moving, change direction, or accelerate our lives in some way, then we need to find the specific thing or things that will get us moving and help us to achieve the results that we want in our lives. The real trick is to set up things in such a way that we're continually challenged and encouraged in the direction that we want to go so that we achieve a continuous momentum. And that is why these programs have been set up to continually remind and encourage and challenge and provoke you so that you will keep focusing upon what it is you want to achieve, what it is that's most important to you. If that's what you want from life, I'd love to have you join me on this journey. So take the first step of your chosen path, and I'll see you on the next level.